Good day, everyone. This is my synthesis in my thesis entitled Sa Islang Pantropiko hanggang sa Bawat Sulok ng Mundo, The Role of P-pop in Redefining Filipino Sociocultural Identity and Strengthening the Creative Economy in the Global Music Industry. Pinoy pop or P-pop has greatly influenced the Filipino sociocultural identity and creative economy in the world. This synthesis looks into P-pop's journey from a local phenomenon to becoming a global phenomenon, showing its cultural and economic impacts. Season and Martinez 2024 discuss how traditional and modern aspects are merged within P-pop, fighting against Western hegemony and fostering cultural diversity. Giral and Auret 2024 note international success by artists such as SB19 and Beanie. Camellia and Buchod et al. 2024 underscore the significance of digital platforms and fan communities in increasing the reach of P-pop around the world. Still, there is much to be known about sustainability and fair economic benefits attached to P-pop. P-pop success reflects Filipino resilience and creativity, resonating with the younger generation and redefining Filipino identity. It has widened its global reach through technology and data-driven marketing. P-pop artists are challenging stereotypes and showing a nuanced understanding of Filipino culture, while addressing social issues and promoting unity. In an economic point of view, P-pop has increased investment and employment in the Filipino creative industry, therefore helping the fashion and tourism industries. P-pop restyles the social cultural identity of Filipinos, strengthens the creative economy. Further studies should be in order to maintain the impact brought about by P-pop and gain fair economic returns. Inclusive policy making, investment in talent, and inter-country cooperation can create a vibrant global music landscape. So for my message to our professor, Mr. Jumel Estraniero, dear Mr. Estraniero, I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude for the invaluable experience gained in the Contemporary World course. This class has transcended the mere presentation of lessons. It has constituted an enlightening exploration of the various issues and trends that are currently influencing our global landscape. Through our dialogues and coursework, we have discussed current trends as well as emerging ones, not only in our own nation but also the world at large. This would make learning highly relevant as well as engaging because you can easily relate the abstract concepts to the real world application. The topics discussed show us how to analyze contemporary issues from an academic point of view. I appreciate your efforts at creating a space that invites exploration and discussion of these significant subjects. Your mentorship has proved essential in helping us get to the bottom of some of the intricacies of modernity. With appreciation, your student, Career Joy Cabrera. Thank you so much.